Hey guys, I'm showing you this homey butane torch. So this is a refillable torch that you can use anywhere on your camping at home or in your barbecue or anywhere else. So this one come unfilled, so you have to fill in the gas. Comes with the manual, everything is explained with color pictures, how you need to fill it up and what step you need to follow. So this is the torch. As you can see, it's metal and on and off button that you can regulate. You can regulate this strength like or the these are the accessory kits that's come to fill in the butane gas. So you need to release first the available or remaining butane gas from it, and then you need to fill it up with the pipe. So there is thing and you can just use it in the simple way. So there is the indicator like how much to fill that you can see it here, and that's pretty cool.